Hi, this month is March and we are celebrating your right to a name and nationality. Now in Wales, we're very lucky to celebrate St David's Day during March, so you could do a piece of work about St David's Day and being Welsh. You could have a crack at drawing the dragon, which might be tricky. You could write some of your favourite things about Wales and about your identity being Welsh. If you've got a range of different people in your class, if you're lucky, you might be able to have a few different identities and you could have an opportunity to learn about different countries. I've seen in one school a really great map of the world, and they'd put a little piece of wool on it and a little pin to all the people from different parts of the world that were represented, either themselves or where their parents were from. So this showed the huge diversity of names and nationalities in the school, which was really exciting. So maybe you could do something like that. Or you could think about where in the world you might like to go, what nationalities you might like to explore. We welcome you celebrating names and nationalities. Article 7.